Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Most of the arrested Nigerians do not have original passports. Many of the Nigerians staying in Goa shift their base temporarily. Under trial Nigerians cannot be deported. Process of deportation too lengthy, say legal experts. BJP MLAs agree for an internal inquiry on police, will urge CM to avoid action on Goans in the Nigerian case, issue of Pramod Sawant and Nilesh Kabral. One drowns, two missing and two admitted in hospital after a picnic turns tragic at Kabde Rama. Diwali dazzles throughout the nation. Goa too shines bright. It's time for family reunions, sweets and fireworks. And Rohit Sharma becomes third Indian to slam 200 runs in ODI, 16 sixes in an innings of 158 balls. Sharma's innings makes Diwali brighter. Now the news in detail. Police have failed to recover original passports of all the arrested Nigerians. In addition, the under trials cannot be deported. Many of the Nigerians have committed petty crimes so that they can stay in Goa as under trials. Most of them left Goa on Friday eve and have reportedly landed in Mumbai for temporary shelter.
In the wake of recent violent outburst of Nigerians at Porvorim, Parrikar government has promised to deport Nigerians staying illegally in the state. But process of deportation is not an easy task. Government has no exact data of number of Nigerians staying in Goa's nook and corner. Police searched Nigerians' den in Parra village many times in last 2 days, but all in vain. Nigerians have already fled from the village. Porvorim MLA Rohan Khaute alleged that Goa police provided safe passage to the Nigerians to escape.
त्या दिसा सानवडच्यान जे इश्यूज जाले आनी हॉनरेबल सीएमान सांगले क्रॅकडाऊन ऑन द नायजेरियन्स म्हणून नायजेरियन स्टार्टेड मुव्हिंग आउट ऑफ गोवा गॉन टू बॉम्बे सांटेक्रूज खूब बस ओनरांक विचारात वाय डिडंट द पुलीस गो अँड चेक दीस पर्टिक्युलर पॉइंट्स तांकां धांवपाक दिले 2 म्हयन्यान परत येतले खंय वतले 300-500 नायजेरियन्स आर दे ओनली इन दॅट वकोला एरिया इन सांटेक्रूज थंय इल्ले दीस रावले परत आयले.
Congress leader Jitendra Deshprabhu has alleged that Nigerian mafia grew length by length as it is a money minting machine for police and politicians.
Why are we only wasting our time and allowing these Nigerians? Nigerians have an inherent, it's not the aggression that they have, as the government says, which scares the police away. It is partaking into that loot. The police are afraid to take action, because they are equally involved in making money out of this narcotic trade.
RTI activist Rajan Ghate says that firm will is required to deport Nigerians and all politicians lack it.
फॉरेनर आमकां जाय आमकां फक्त एज अ टुरिस्ट म्हणून पर्यटक म्हणून हांगा येवन ते पर्यटकाचो भाग म्हणून येवन रावूंक शकता ते हांगा येवन तेंच्यांनी आपले सगळे जमनी किंवा ड्रग्साचो धंदो सेक्स प्रॉस्टिट्यूटेड सगळे करपाचे खंयचे लॉन्ड्रिंग करपाचें हें कार्य जर ते करता जाल्यार खबरदार ते फॉरेनरांक कशेंच उगी रावपाचें ना आनी जे कोण हाका सपोर्ट करता लोकल जावं MLA जावं मिनिस्टर जावं कोणी जावं तो तेका समजा हांगासर तेका बीन हद्दपार करून धाडा कारण तांकां रावपाची गरज ना.
With video journalist Omkar Farari, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Although Chief Minister has assured to deport all Nigerians out of Goa, it will not be an easy task. There are many formalities to execute this cumbersome task of deporting Nigerians from Goa. It will take a lot of time. Advocate Yatish Naik tells us what the roadblocks are and what it takes to deport a foreign national from a state. Watch this report.
As law, when somebody is overstaying, you have to book an FIR against him under the Immigration Act and all. Once that FIR is booked, there is a charge sheet which is filed against that person violating the law who overstays. The charge sheet is filed in court. Most of the cases that I have seen, these foreigners plead not guilty. Then they stand the test of the trial. Then they have to process appeal. This system that is existing causes delay by virtue of the system. So this has to be channelized first of all. Another thing is that when these foreigners, when their visa comes to an end or nears an end, so many of them commit minor offences, so that they are detained or they are arrested and they are made to stand the test of trial. So that automatically they get an extension in that sense. This has to be channelized. Now there might be all these people, whoever have committed all these things some 2 days ago now at Porvori. These people have to be deported. I fully agree with it. But the question is, now there is a section, there are offense against them. They will have to stand the test of trial. Then they have to appeal. You have to first find out how many of them are overstaying. For that, even if they are found to be overstaying, you have to file an FIR against them, you have to file charge sheet against them under the separate law of immigration for overstaying. So there is this process of law which is governing the realm. This process of law which governs the realm sometimes and most of the times causes delay. So the government has to ensure that there is a method to address this issue at the earliest and in a policy manner so that this issue does not spiral out by causing delays in the process.
The debate on Nigerians' fiasco at Porvori in Prudent became heated and explosive. Ruling side MLA Pramod Sawant has said that he will ask for an inquiry on police for showing inefficiency. Nilesh Karwal expressed that he will urge CM not to book the Goans in this fiasco, but action on the murder of Nigerian has to be taken. Vijay Sardesai has cleared that he is open for any kind of inquiry of his assets. Rohan Kaunte wants more efficiency from police.
आमदार म्हणून रुलिंग कोलिशनात तुमकां दिसता की डिपार्टमेंटल इन्क्वायरी जावची पुलिसाचेर
जे होम मिनिस्टर व्यवस्थित रित्या ह्या सगळ्या केसीचेर जो रिपोर्ट घेवपाक जाय तो रिपोर्ट घेतलो ऑफकोर्स हय
सो जातली डिपार्टमेंट इन्क्वायरी
जातली
डिपार्टमेंट अँड पुलीस विल बी टेकन फॉर टास्क जाणी लॅप्सीस केल्यात ते विल बी टेकन फॉर
नॉट ओनली द पुलीस जेणी त्या जाग्यार ज्या जाग्यार कायदो हातात घेतलेलो आसा आयज ते नायजेरियनाक 54 जाणांक ऑलरेडी अरेस्ट केल्ले आसा तेंचेरूय जातली जो कोणी मर्डर केल्लो आसा डेफिनेटली कारण ते स्वता जाता की मुळात मुद्दो खंय आसा जो मर्डर जाला थंयच्यानी सुरवात जाल्ली आसा आता मर्डर करपी काय तांचे म्हणणे आसा की कोण तरी तो गोवन गँगातलो आसा ओके तेजेरूय इन्क्वायरी जावपाक जाय तेकाय सोदून काडपाक जाय
2007 तुगेले एफिडेविटा प्रमाणे तुगेली एसेट्स आशिल्ले 5 कोटी 2012 भितर तुझे एसेट्स जाले 25 कोटी विजय सरदेसाय इतलो श्रीमंत खंयच्यान जालो तुझी संपत्ती कसल्याच चुकीच्या मार्गान वाडली ना
100% ना इन्क्वायरी कर
ओपन
आय एम टोटली ओपन नॉट ओनली दॅट वॉज इट टू बी समवेअर रॉंग हे तुका दिसता हे म्हाका 1.5 वर्स सोडपाचे हे म्हाका उमकाळपाचे
इफ बाय जोश येवन ती बंद केल्ली आसा ऑफकोर्स आय विल टेल रिक्वेस्ट ऑनरेबल सीएम हियर एंड आफ्टर ऑल्सो सी इट इज कोणूच जाता ती टेक इट सम लाईट वे
बरोबर
आय विल टेल बट इफ समबडी हॅज टेकन ते म्हणजे यू टेक कितें देन हे घेवन आनी कितें केलें
लिव्ह आय एम क्लिअरली डिफरन्शिएटिंग ज्या गोंयकारांनी मर्डर केला तांकां
सांगता तुका
रोहन फायनल कमेंट्स
डिपार्टमेंटल इन्क्वायरीचेर तांचेर एक्शन जावंक जाय काय ना ते सीएम हॅज टू डिसाइड पूण वी हॅव टू फायंड इम्प्रुवमेंट्स इन द पुलीस अँड वी हॅव टू सी दॅट द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ पुलीस इम्प्रूव्ड विथ वेदर मॅन पॉवर और वॉट एव्हर द टायप ऑफ ट्रेनिंग्स दे अंडरगो गेट द स्टँडर्ड्स आउट बिकॉज इट इज युअर गव्हर्नमेंट तुम्ही परिवर्तन दिल्लो आसा गव्हर्नमेंट प्रॉमिस केल्ले आसा तुमकां इनफ टायम आसा दाखोवपाक दाखयात दॅट द पुलीस कॅन परफॉर्म
पुलीस कॅन डिलिव्हर
फॉर विच सिटीजन्स फील सेफ
ओके
One person drowned, 2 went missing, and 2 are hospitalized after a picnic turned tragic at Kabderama in Kankan. Men from 2 families were enjoying at Rajbagh beach. One of the family is from Karnataka, another from Vasco.
नातेवाईकांनी सांगताले एक शिमोगाची कोण तरी सोयरे येयले तेंगे ते पिकनीक आयिल्ले
सगळे ग्रुप मेळून पिकनीक येयला
दोन ग्रूप कितें आशिल्ले दोन ग्रूप म्हणटकीर ते पयलीं खंय थंय पोवताले मागीर खंय हांगा उदक आशिल्लें न्ही ह्या उदकाक येयले मागीर ते ऑटोमॅटीक भरकटत गेले आसतली हांगा सांगपाचें म्हळ्यार लायफ गार्ड
कितली जाण टोटल बुडलेली त्या टायमार कितली सगळी जाण
बुडिल्ली सगळी 5 जाणां म्हणटात
3 जाणां काडले वयर
3 जाणांक वयर काडला म्हणटा
दोग
2 जाण सद्याक मिसींग आहात आनीक हांगा सांगपाचें पळयल्यार हो टुरिस्ट स्पॉट जरी कितें जालो तरी हांगा कसली सुविधा ना कारण हांगा लायफ गार्ड ना आनीक विचारलें जाल्यार सांगता की हांगा लायफ हें हो स्पॉट खंय रजिस्टर जाला आतां रजिस्टर कसो म्हणटा टुरिजम मिनिस्टराक खबर आसतली कारण कितें हांगा जेन्ना
लायफ गार्ड ना
हांगा लायफ गार्ड ना जेन्ना टुरिस्ट येता न्ही जेन्ना सरकारान हांगा सोय करपाक जाय गेल्ले आतां 1 वर्स जालें गेल्ले 7 ऑक्टोबराक गेल्ले वर्साक हांगा 2 जाण भाव पडलेले आनी इतले करून ते लोकल आसून तांकां इतली हांगची पहचान आसून हांगची जाण आसूनय ते बुडले हेजो अर्थ असो की ही बीच अत्यंत धोकादायक आहा आनी हांगा लायफ गार्डची अत्यंत गरज आहा
लायफ गार्ड दिवचे नाल्यार टुरिस्ट येवपा बंद करचे
पुलीस प्रोटेक्शन तरी दवरपाक जाय न्ही कारण हांगा ते ही भोंवपाक धोकादायक आहा म्हणून हांगा एक सायन बोर्ड ना कांय ना आनी हांगा ही एरिया जी पळय जाल्यार हांगा कोण पावस
डीप आहा हांगा
डीप हांगा ते भोंवरो तयार जाता अशें म्हणटात
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.